Why? Why do I have to do all the fanfics? Why can't I start with my immortal? But, I just have to start on Blood Rainy Night. For those who don't know, Blood Rainy Night is a horrible fucking fanfic. It's pretty much the weeb version of my immortal. The well-known shit fanfic. But let's not beat around the bush. Let's just get done with the 30 fucking... Let's just get done with it. This is Blood Running Night by Reichu Ketsu Kaneko Oni. Chapter 1. The First Rainy Night. The sky was blue. Reichu had just opened her golden eyes to the morning, like she did for the past 17 years of her life. She groggily rubbed her hands and her eyelids and rolled over. She was staring at Denmark in the face, as she called him, Denny. Okay. That wouldn't be, that isn't so, that's like the least worst thing about this. Like, that's the only good thing. Like, okay, you're in love with Denmark from Italia. Okay. 17, a little on the nose there. Denny, come on. She spoke softly, like full of butterflies on the breeze. Good morning. I've missed you in my sleep. God, I've forgotten how. I didn't watch like a few episodes of Italia. Forgotten how Denmark is supposed to be that. Denmark's that blonde guy, right? Oh, I missed you too. He took his hands and it down to the tip of his soft furry ears. Her ear twitched with delight. The classical mark of Mansu. He's a fucking Nico. I get worried about you sometimes, though. And I'm pissing off a lot of Italia fans right now. Really? Her golden eyes lit up like a light in a lamp on a dark night. Yeah, yes, of course. You work for the Yakuza. Fucking really? How else am I supposed to feel? 17 and looking at the Yakuza. Fucking kill me. Her eyes gaze down like as if to see something on the floor. It's good to know that someone who really cares about my existence. I love you with all my heart, Ray. I'm not trying to piss off Italia fans, but you barely watched Italia. Yeah, you do. I know you do. I love you, Dinky-kun. They kissed passionately like a man and a woman that haven't seen each other for 40 years but loved each other over all that time. Ew. How fucking old is Denmark? No, that's a legit question. How fucking old is Denmark? She wanted to drink his blood. Really, really bad. What? But she couldn't, for if she were to suck the life juices out of him, it would turn him into a demon vampire. That doesn't work like that. Like, that came literally out of nowhere. That's a complete juxtaposition. Of course, he would never let anything bad happen to him. He was the love of her life, and her only love. Rachel dressed in an outfit she wore to the Yakuza and got ready for work. She wore a white schoolgirl's outfit that had long sleeves and a red ribbon around her neck. Red stemming that went on her sleeves and a red skirt, her brown hair tied in a red ribbon, red as blood on a big gun. Don't care. The Yakuza is a very dangerous gang in Japan. They wouldn't let their employees just like that. Don't ask me how I know that, because fuck you. What the fuck was I? Her long brown hair was blue highlights in the middle, swayed in the breeze so beautifully. She could almost kill someone with her lips were so bad. What the? Lips were so really bad? No, I'm confused because this is fucking. It's like lips and web literally put together. But she didn't expected she would have a tough assignment today. How? Did she know? When she was out, pouring the fields and she hit a certain cackling. It was a witch. The fuck would a witch be doing with the Yakuza? Unless it had the witch had something to unless the witch was ex-Yakuza, what the fuck does a witch have anything to do with a gang? What the fuck? Ah! Said the witch in a nasty voice, like you're eating something slimy. What? I see, there's a girl out to get me, and she thinks she's prettier than me, eh? And I turned eyes for a second. Wow! Fuck. Wow! And I turned to Cullen. God damn it. Rachel smiled. You are old and ugly, and I am assigned to kill you. This will be the last time you fight me. You fought it before? Yeah, you ain't the fucking boogie. You ain't Oogie Boogie. You know, this is Oogie Boogie. This is funny. When he went like, this will be the last time you hear the Boogie song. Because this there, that's funny. This there was cool. Yeah, makes no sense. Rachel ran toward the hack, her breast delicately bouncing in the wind. Fucking enemy. Dudes don't look like that. That's another sign of Mary Sue. Fucking always has to pronounce words. Fuck my life. The witch took out a staff and tried to smite her, but fell short and Macy suddenly disappeared and reappeared behind her. I told you not to mess with me, she said, slicing the witch's throat open. She put her lips on the wrinkly neck and sucked on it. That wording, though. Really, really hot. Wording! The blood came pouring out into her mouth like a waterfall of gun blood. That wording. She was going home after having killed the witch when she heard an unusual noise coming from the bushes. He said, I've come back for you. Who? Rachel was astonished. Father? She yelled. You're supposed to be dead. Why did you come back? Why did you have to come back? Tears of pain and darkness rolled back her eyes as a worst nightmare stepped towards her. I'm undefeatable, bitch. You had your chance years and years ago, but you failed. Now I'm back to get you. You don't want to fight me, father. She threw out her long, bloody sword. She had a gun 2 minutes ago. What the fuck happened to that? Uh, and looked at him in a cool way. I haven't come back to kill you right now, but someday beware. With that, he threw a smoke bomb at her and disappeared. That's not how smoke bombs work. That, that was chapter 1. I'm gonna fucking hate my life. I hope you enjoyed that episode. Fucking in me. Yeah, watch how I descend into madness the next 30 weeks. Yeah, obviously from that you know this is a bad fanfic. Fucking in me. Come back next week when I in chapter 2. Chapter 2.